tell me that you want me, and I'll be yours completely, for better or for worse. I know we'll have our disagreements, be fighting for no reason. I wouldn't change it for the world. 'Cause I knew the first day that I met you, I was never gonna let you slip away. And I still remember feeling nervous, trying to find the words to get you here today. You make my heart feel like it's summer when the rain is pouring down. You make my whole world feel so right when it's wrong, 'cause I know you are the one. That's why I know you are the one. When we're together you make me feel like my mind is free and my dreams are unreachable. You know I never ever believed in love, but believed one day that you would come along and free me. You make my heart feel like it's summer when the rain.
Then, marriage is a commitment. And what is commitment? To act upon. It is not about feelings. Ang feelings later on posibleng mawala. Okay? At posibleng mag-fluctuate yan at eventually mawala. Kung naintindihan ninyo ang ibig sabihin ng commitment, happy ang ending ng inyong marriage.
That's why I know.
Love, the day I first met you, the world came alive. You captured my heart and my soul you revived. I know you know these lines from a song. Hindi lang yung buhay ko ang binigyan mo ng kulay, kundi pati ang pagkain ko. Kasi dati okay na ako sa toyo at asin, sa chicken breast, na ulam ko. Pero ngayon, maski rosemary at basil, alam ko na.
My heart and my soul you revived. Your beauty's unequal.
Wala, chill lang.
Both outside and
Hindi masyado. Okay lang. Ito, kasama ko, kinakabahan. Ayusin mo! Sana wag lang umulan.
to heaven to
Do you remember when we first met? It was raining and we didn't bring an umbrella. Instead, we used my jacket just to cross the streets para kumain sa tawa. I knew that day God gave you a reason to finally meet you. Siyempre, after kita, para di ka na nabasa, so naging close tayo.
I lose my ground.
You're so pretty. Congrats. Yes.
Forget who we've ever met.
Love, I promise to be better every day. I will strive every day to make you feel loved, appreciated, and valued. I may not be able to solve all your problems, but I promise you won't have to face them alone. Alam ko marami pa tayong pagdadaanan na pagsubok and disagreements, but I promise I will let go of that anger so we can move forward and be happy.
To heaven to hold.
I'd like to end my vow with these lines from our favorite song. I will love you forever in sickness and health, in good times and bad times, in want and in wealth. I'll carry your burdens and day every tear, in joy and in sorrow, I'll always be there. To have and to hold until we are old, I'm saying I do. I will love you to have and to hold. I love you so much, love.
Have to be good. Even the
Love.
best of us
Before I met you, I felt like my romantic life was a lost cause. I was very hesitant and doubtful to trust anyone anymore. With every ounce of hope left in me, I remember telling a friend, sana yung susunod last na. Sana yung susunod sana. And then you came.
I'm walking slowly, I'm taking my time. All I could talk
Love,
is starting.
thank you for being the best partner anyone could have. Thank you for your trust, understanding, and endless patience.
Keep getting enough of
Sana di ka magsawa sa katulong mo.
just
You have a big heart and a beautiful face. You love me in ways I never knew possible.
you look so amazing.
Indeed, you are an answered prayer.
Drives me crazy, dreaming of God on a sandy shore, saved by amazing grace, or maybe my lack of faith. The seasons change, but they come.
My heart is full now that we are finally here and about to kickstart our marriage life. I solemnly vow in front of our families and friends
Walking slowly,
to support and honor you all the days of my life, to take each step with you from start to finish line, even if it's an ultramarathon, to protect and take care of you through thick and thin, to be a better partner, to choose you every single day in good and bad, and to love you in word and deed till death do us part. I love you, my running body.
Give me all you can.